Hi there. My name is Owen Tierney, and I will be your guide through this wonderful world of digital currency. Specifically, I will be informing you, perhaps even introducing you, to NFTs, which stands for non fungible tokens, which are essentially digital tokens that verify ownership of property on a space known as the blockchain. Now, the blockchain is like magic, it's a bunch of mumbo jumbo technical jargon that honestly I only know so much about, but I can tell you about the website. So I can created my website on Google Sites. It's a free application that stores your created website on a Google-owned server. You don't actually access the site directly. Rather, your computer sends a request to open the web page to the master Google Sites server, which then takes that request and grants access to the user's computer. While accessing the site, the computer is also constantly checking for permission to view the content on the page, which is presented using HTML, otherwise known as Hypertext Markup Language. Essentially, all of these images and additional text and whatnot are constantly being fed to your computer by constant requests for access. Creating a Google site involves a very simple drag and drop system, although most websites are actually created manually by coding in the HTML language and the CSS coding language. For example, this right here is a header, and to implement it in CSS would mean using the indicators bracket h1 and bracket slash h1. On the header is the title of the website, and I made the header using the online application Pixlr. The GIF on the main page, just right here, was also created using Pixlr, alongside the logo here, which is actually three different pieces. A white square with a little black edge on the side, the NFT PNGs, and of course the text. Now, the white square and PNG are on different layers, meaning that the text does not interfere with the placement of either of these. It is planted on top of both of the layers. All of the photos from the website are all in black and white for aesthetic purposes, as you can see here, except, of course, for this one. Um, Now, this was actually intentional. Um, I converted all of these to black and white and tweaked them slightly using the Pixlr application. However, on the effects and impact slide was not made using Pixlr. It was made using Adobe Premiere. Because I am a film major, and well, why not use one of the best editing applications out there for my website? I recorded it using my Sony A6400 camera, and of course, I published it via YouTube. Do you think that in the future we will be using NFTs as viably as crypto?
Well, I think the main difference between crypto and NFTs is that crypto is a form of currency where NFTs are more of a piece that has a value assigned to it. So I think that crypto, as of now, is more usable. In the future, I think that NFTs will definitely be used more, but I don't think it's going to be used to the exact extent as crypto is.
So here we are in OpenSea. This is the world's largest NFT marketplace. Now, there are several different ways to purchase these, several different pieces. Um, Obviously, the most popular here being NFT Worlds, the natural floor price of any item, and the ability to bid. Okay, now over here we have all of my resources and references that I used to create the project, all of which I would argue were critical to my learning of and development of understanding of NFTs. I definitely did not know very much about them going into this project. But a fantastic source that I would absolutely recommend is Dominic Chalmers' paper. Oops, excuse me. Dominic Chalmers' paper, Beyond the Bubble: Will NFTs and Digital Proof of Ownership Empower Creative Industry Entrepreneurs? Basically, in it, he and the other authors evaluate the use of NFTs in the modern world, from their applications in banking to really just the general novelty of owning something cool online. Here they have some key highlights of the paper. Okay, well, hopefully you enjoyed your time hearing all about my website. More importantly, I hope it encourages you to go and view it. And thanks again, and have a good one.